Hello and welcome to the results of the Halloween competition that's been running for the last couple of weeks on the Discord server. Hopefully you've enjoyed the tutorials that have gone with it. I've seen lots of candles and pumpkins. Really well done to everyone that's entered. I think we had the most that we've ever had in any sort of Discord run competition that I've run anyway. The prize of course is a Samsung SSD. Samsung are the #1 provider of flash memory in the world. They are also the only SSD manufacturer to make everything in-house, which means they have the most reliable quality control. The 980 Pro 1TB drive is compatible with PlayStation 5 as upgradable storage and is one of the fastest options on the market. So thanks very much to Samsung for providing such a wonderful prize. So behind me you can see a few of the entries that I really enjoyed, and they were kind of in the runnings for the winner. I was mainly looking at kind of creativity and obviously the skill of the artwork and a bit of story in there if possible. My absolute favourite was the Headless Guardsman, but this was based on someone else's original artwork, so the creativity marks weren't quite there, although it was a really excellent render of that original piece of artwork. In the end I went for this one from Harti. I really liked the design, the idea, the story. It just all worked for me. The lighting was really intense and magical. Apparently they spent about 50 hours on this. You can really see it in terms of the attention to detail. So really well done to you, Harti. You are the winner of the Halloween competition. If you haven't had your fill of competitions, then do remember that there's the Fox Render Farm competition that I'm a judge for. That ends on the 12th of December and I put a link in the description so you can find out more about that. Thanks again for all those that entered. Thanks again to Samsung for the wonderful prize. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.